Keith here, our king. Have you ever wondered how to build the hitch climber system? It's a lot easier than you think. Here we have Teffelberger Adrenaline, one of my all-time favorite climbing lines. Parallel core strands, super durable sheath, bright colors, works well for double rope and single rope. Take your hitch cord to length. This is Teffelberger Pulley Ocean. I believe this one's 30 inches. Tie your preferred hitch. Right now I'm going to tie a VT. So traditional VT, 3 wraps up and 3 braids. You want to make sure the legs of your friction hitch are even and tensioned even. That will reduce twisting or hockling in your rope as you're descending down. Once your friction hitch is tied, hitch climber pulley on the rope. Place the eyes over that bottom becket, carabiner through that bottom becket. Now to terminate your climb line onto the hitch climber, choose 1 or 2. Here I'll choose the center becket. And now your hitch climber system is complete. That is a basic open system for tree climbers. I'm a big advocate of the hitch climber system because I can do so much with 1 pulley and those 3 beckets that are made available. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out, and it costs you nothing. Appreciate it.